Ever been stuck in a foreign country, desperate for cash, only to find your ATM card incompatible? Frustrating, right? Especially when you're on a dream vacation or a crucial business trip. Well, fret no more, Globetrotters. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTrip, the travel wallet that eliminates ATM woes. YouTrip explained. YouTrip is a revolutionary travel card designed for the modern adventurer. Forget hefty bank fees and the hassle of carrying multiple currencies. YouTrip lets you preload funds in various currencies, manage them through a user-friendly app, and most importantly, withdraw cash from a vast network of ATMs worldwide. But with so many ATMs out there, which ones are compatible with YouTrip? That's what this video is all about. The big reveal, YouTrip compatible ATMs. The good news is, YouTrip boasts a massive ATM network. You can generally withdraw cash from any ATM that displays the MasterCard or Visa logo. This covers a huge chunk of ATMs globally, making it incredibly convenient. However, a few exceptions exist. It's always best to double-check before you travel. Here's how. YouTrip app. The YouTrip app has a built-in ATM locator. Simply enter your destination city and filter for MasterCard or Visa ATMs. YouTrip website. The YouTrip website also features a comprehensive ATM locator. Contact YouTrip support. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to YouTrip's friendly customer support team. They'll be happy to assist you. Pro tips for using YouTrip ATMs. Knowing compatible ATMs is half the battle. Here are some pro tips to ensure a smooth YouTrip ATM experience. Check withdrawal limits. YouTrip has daily withdrawal limits, which vary depending on your account plan. Check the app or website to avoid surprises. Beware of dynamic currency conversion, DCC. Some ATMs might offer DCC, a service that converts your withdrawal to your home currency at a potentially inflated rate. Always choose withdrawal without conversion to avoid DCC fees. Inform YouTrip about your travels. Let YouTrip know your travel dates and destinations to avoid any potential security blocks. YouTrip, beyond ATMs. YouTrip's magic extends far beyond ATMs. It allows you to make secure contactless payments at millions of stores and restaurants worldwide. Enjoy competitive foreign exchange rates when spending abroad. Manage your travel budget seamlessly through the user-friendly app. YouTrip is a game-changer for frequent travelers. With its vast ATM network, competitive rates, and convenient features, it eliminates the stress of managing money abroad. So, ditch the bulky wallets and hidden bank fees. Pack your YouTrip card, embrace the world, and explore with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.